I'm here today with a kind of collective haul of sorts. Majority of it is thrifted. There are a couple pieces that I just wanted to throw in there that I got over the Christmas break from some of my family, and I just wanted to put them in there because I really, really love them. And why not? It's my video, I can do what I want. But this will be a two-part video because I have one half of it is going to be just shoes because I've been so lucky with the shoes at the thrift store. So I'm gonna do kind of a separate part for just the shoes because like there's so many. But anyway, without further ado, so the first piece is this white sweater. It's kind of got like feathery type of pieces coming off of it. Anyway, I know that this is a super on trend kind of knit, so I picked it up. It's just Joe Fresh and it's honestly an extra large, but I really like it. Super big and oversized. I got this on the half off day at Value Village. So I don't have the price tag on it anymore, but I'm pretty sure it was around $5 half off. But yeah. The second piece I got was also on the half off day. So it just looks like this. It's just a cardigan. It's got some beautiful cable knit, and I found it in the men's section. I thought maybe I'd give it to my boyfriend for Christmas, but I tried it on and decided I liked it better. So yeah, and again, oversized, but I think like with the t-shirt and mom jeans, it looks like super cute. And this one, I think, was $8.99, then I got it half off, so it was about $4. This one I got a while ago. It's pretty simple. It's just kind of a long, rosy crew neck. Now, the brand in this one has been cut out, but I honestly don't think it was anything high-end. Honestly, it could have been even Ardens or Ardennes. I don't know how you say it. But what I loved about it is it's in pretty good condition. I don't think it's been washed yet. And it's just such a simple piece that it like is kind of great for a really lazy day. And a pair of leggings or skinny mom jeans, or not skinny mom jeans, but skinny jeans. But yeah, and I honestly really forget the price of this one. It wasn't more than 10 though. So this one is kind of fun. I got this shirt in the men's section as well, and I was drawn to it because it's got these white flames on the sleeves, and on the corner it just says Arctic Club, and then on the back Frozen and Chosen. So I like this just because it's very much that biker style. I have another shirt kind of similar to it that's a Harley Davidson one. It's yellow and I wear it so often that I was like, honestly, this is so cute. I also thought it was funny because I know we're not in the Arctic, but Canada is freezing right now, so I just thought that was kind of funny. And this one I think was, again, no more than like $8. And from Value Village. So the next items that I'm going to show you guys, I got from a store called Plato's Closet. It's a kind of consignment thrift store. Basically what you do is you bring clothing, they give you 30% of what they'll sell it at right off the top. And then, yeah, so it's like used clothing, but they tend to have better brands. They're very specific about what they take. But anyway, it was my first time going into the one in Brampton, if anyone's there, and I found so many goodies. So the first one is crazy, but I'm so excited about it. It is a jacket. So it looks like this. It's gold and pink and very shiny. The clasps just look like this. Almost like a bra clasp. Yeah, it's got this very oversized collar, and it fits me pretty well. The reason I picked this up is it was $12.99. Just was like, this is amazing, I have to have this. But yeah, so I picked that guy up. And then the next piece I picked up is this Oak and Fort, like, sweater. It's got a mock neck, and as you can see, it's pretty see-through, which I like and dislike. It looks great with, like, I have a bra that's literally, or not a bra, a bralette that's literally the same color, so I think with like a pair of mom jeans and the bralette and this, it would be kind of a cute, like, not going out outfit, but maybe like a really nice dinner that's more out. I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, Oak and Fort is a really great brand, and their things are usually pretty pricey. And this one, I still have the tags on. This one was $14. And again, it is consignment, so it's not thrift, it's not Value Village, it's not being given for free, so the prices can be a little bit more pricey. On the other hand, Value Village, I think, rips people off. So honestly, like for example, that jacket I just showed you, if I'd gotten it at Value Village, it would have been twice, 3 times the price. So I think that there wasn't really a difference in price per se, except for that Value Village probably wouldn't have known what Oak and Fort was and discounted it, like, or put it at a lower price because of that. But Plato's Closet, because they go through everything and they pick what they want, they know what things are worth. So $14 for this shirt, I was fine with. The last clothing piece I got from Plato's Closet was a little black dress. It just looks like this. It's kind of a thicker knit. It's got a mock neck, and then it's got obviously no sleeves. It's also got a little string around here that you can tie in many different ways. You can kind of pull it all in the back, or you can wrap it around a couple times. And then the feature I really love about it is it has a slit on each side. Now the reason I picked this up is it is Babaton, which is a brand from Aritzia. Most of the time Babaton dresses, something like this in kind of a knit, would have been around $150 to $200. This looked like it had never been worn, and it was on for $30. So I snatched this up right away because like, how do you not? I'm also going to be doing an internship at CBC Toronto in February, and I thought that this might be something really nice with like a jacket over it and a pair of high boots or something. And it's still classy, it's got the high neck, but it's still fashion forward, which is everything I want and more. I totally forgot to mention this sweater. This guy is from Value Village as well. It is just from a brand called Miss Dorby. I picked it up because it's got this really fun, almost like poncho on top of the sweater. I just thought, like, how different, how fun, unique. And this one I've had honestly for a while, but I wanted to include it because it's a wintry piece. But I think, again, no more than $10. Yeah, it's just simple, but like so fun. So the last 2 pieces are absolutely brand new. This one was from my boyfriend's parents. It's really cute. It's super distressed, like on the hems of things. So like the sleeve hem, and then the bottom. And it's also got this really nice zipper with a very in right now zipper pull. I'm forgetting what that is called, the look of that. I'm not sure where they got it from. The brand is called Lila and Lux. But I really love this kind of like in many different ways. I kind of like it half tucked with a pair of mom jeans and a leather jacket. But I just thought, like, how cute for winter. It's got some nice bell sleeves, like just so cozy. Last thing in this little collective haul is this jacket. My mom got this for me for Christmas, and it's just got these beautiful sleeves with the little ruffle detail, and it's got the one button. I really love this, again, for like CBC, but also I think it's something I could possibly wear out, or in a more dressier kind of way, like with a cute bralette and some jewelry and like a high-waisted pair of jeans, like, or obviously in a more classy way with like a nice skirt and a nice top. But anyway, I really love that, and I don't know how much she got for it, and it's by a brand called Benny V, I think. So yeah, that's everything in my collective clothing haul. Let me know down below which piece was your favorite, and also let me know, where do you go thrift shopping? Are you kind of like, do you like to go to like Value Village, or are you more into kind of smaller, unknown thrift stores? Anyway, thank you so much for watching Saturday Vibes. Again, I'm Madeline Villa. You can follow me on all my socials down there. Hit the subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching.